Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beaded bow. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a selection of beads, some flexible craft wire, and a pair of small pliers. Choosing beads of varying sizes can add wonderful texture and depth to your finished bow. A 24-gauge wire is usually perfect for this project, offering both strength and flexibility. Now, let's start forming the first loop of your bow. Begin by cutting a piece of craft wire about 10 to 12 inches long. Carefully thread between 15 and 25 beads onto this wire, depending on your desired loop size. Once beaded, bring the two ends of the wire together and twist them securely to form a closed loop. This will be one half of your beautiful bow. With your first loop complete, it's time to create the second one, following the exact same steps. Once you have both beaded loops, bring them together, overlapping them at their centers. Firmly twist the wires from both loops together to secure them. For a polished finish, wrap a small piece of beaded wire around the twisted center, hiding any exposed wire. Your beaded bow is almost ready. Use your pliers to carefully trim any excess wire, ensuring a clean and safe finish. Now, gently shape and adjust the loops to achieve the perfect, symmetrical bow. These charming bows can be attached to hair clips, headbands, or even used as decorative accents on gifts. Enjoy your unique, handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.